If this is your first time here, welcome to Spaghettiheads. We're an online mental health community here to help others through tough times. In this video, I'm going to be talking you through our top 5 best techniques to quickly reduce anxiety. Now, just as a disclaimer, these are for short-term fixes and relief, things you can use in the moment to reduce anxiety and panic. They are not long-term solutions to anxiety. We will be making another video on long-term solutions very soon. You also might find you prefer some over others. This is completely normal and will change for every person. Before we quickly list the top 5 tips, it would be amazing if you could like and subscribe. We're trying to grow our community to help more people, so this really helps. Coming in at 5th place is the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method. If you're a long-term sufferer of anxiety or maybe have a therapist, I'm sure you would have heard this one before. That's why it's only in 5th. How it works is when you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or in a situation where you need bringing back to earth. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can feel, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. Why don't you pause the video and try this now? If you also struggle with health anxiety, this helps that too. I often speak to people in our community who are scared they're having a stroke or medical emergency. Now, if you're able to list everything you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel, the chances are you're not having a stroke. Number 4, the sigh of relief. As you can guess, most people breathe wrong during a panic. Try the sigh of relief. Take a breath and then a sigh, exhaling twice as long out as you did in. Your brain gets the message, I'm safe. Try it now. Alternatively, you can tie this into 4-7 breathing, which is an extended version of this. The best part of this method is that it reduces excess CO2, which can cause dizziness, tingling, and breathlessness during anxiety. Number 3, get grounded. Now, I personally use these anti-travel sickness bands, which also help dizziness and grounding. I have no idea the science behind this or even if it's placebo, but they have been a lifesaver on many occasions. They work for me on 9 out of 10 times. I take them on every trip I go on and cannot recommend them enough. I'll tag the exact ones I have below. If you don't have the bands, an alternative is pressing on the same P6 point. Applying firm pressure of 30 to 60 seconds while taking deep breaths. Coming in at number 2, the ice trick, anxiety's emergency button. If anxiety hits hard, shock your nervous system back to reality. Grab an ice cube and hold it in your hand or run your wrist under cold water. The intense sensation jolts your brain out of panic mode and signals, focus on this, not the fear. Why does it work? Well, cold exposure activates the vagus nerve, forcing your body to calm down fast. And finally, coming in at number 1, the body lock trick stops anxiety in its tracks. When anxiety spikes, your body tenses up. Here's how to hack your nervous system into relaxation instantly. Tense every muscle in your body for 5 seconds. Clench your fists, tighten your legs, scrunch your face. Then completely release and let everything go limp. Repeat to 2-3 times to trick your body into a deep state of calm. Remember, anxiety doesn't control you, you control it. Thank you for watching. I hope you're able to take a few of these tips away for the future to help. Let us know your favorite tips below.